What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul and we are trying this again. I hit record and never hit record on the top down. So I've been using this over the last couple of days or so. It is the Caudabe sheath. Now we've just done a video with this, so I've been rocking it just to see what it's like, and I absolutely love this case. But I've been using mine with the cobalt blue buttons. Now there's a case in here in the Paragon which is going to be my new full-time case, and I'm going to use the cobalt blue buttons. But I've been using the sheath, love this case, will go back to it. It's going to be in the rotation, but this is the celestial blue. So if you want to see that video, I'll leave it linked up above for you guys to check it out. But let's put the buttons to one side. So this right here is the Paragon. So Caudabe Paragon, the normal Caudabe like style of boxes, and then on the bottom right here we've got Ember, Midnight and As You Write. Now As You Write is the one that I'm going for, because believe me, if I still had my blue Focus parked in the driveway, I'd be rocking this full time. There would no other case would come close to it. I would rock it permanently, but unfortunately the car is gone. So As You Write, and the car was in azure blue, so As You Write case, azure blue. Perfect. So on the back of this one though it says Paragon, a masterclass in refinement. If you want to pause and read that you can, but subtle pearlescent scratch resistant outer shell, colour mass precision machined aluminium buttons. You can get extra buttons by the way, so they did send them out. Precision machined aluminium buttons, come in a couple of colours. They sent me out sand, ember, scarlet, silver, and I already had the cobalt blue. Absolutely stunning colour, but elegantly contoured texture grooves, enhanced grip, and full compatibility with MagSafe. Obviously minimalist perfection as per normal. So let's get these out. So this one right here is Ember, which is like the nice orangey colour. Perfect if you've got the orange iPhone. The next one is the black one. Again, if you're looking for a black iPhone and you want a nice black case, perfect case right there. Right here, As You Write. Oh my word. Just what a stunning colour. I mean that just deserves its own special place. That is just absolutely stunning. Caudabe have knocked it out the park with the blue this year. I think that's absolutely gorgeous, and the contour, the nice side, the nice grippy sides to go with the nice soft shell case. Perfect case. That's going to be my case going forward now. So I'll show you the black and the ember at the end, but I'm going to concentrate on the As You Write. Let's bring in the scale and we'll see what it comes in at. Okay. So we're looking at 51 grams for the Paragon, and if we slap in the deep navy iPhone, we've got 295 grams. So that's with the iPhone, not the lightest, not the heaviest neither. Definitely seen plenty of other cases, but there it is with the iPhone inside. That colour is just absolutely stunning. Just absolutely stunning. I think Caudabe have absolutely nailed this. As you can see, cameras are nice and recessed into that full housing to protect the entire phone, so you can place it down like so and not have to worry. Now on this side right here, the edges are low down, but the corners and the middle section are all raised up, so you can place it face down and not have to worry about it. I mean, it's literally raised up on the bottom here, right near the speaker, and it's raised up on the charge port right here. Speaking of that, nice and recessed speaker, mics and the charge port into that housing. Caudabe branding on the top with the logo, nothing else on here. Nice and anodized aluminium buttons in the As You Write colour, but I will be swapping out to the cobalt just for something different, but nice and clicky, nice and responsive and tactile, exactly what you want. So that's absolutely perfect. Now let's go ahead and slap on the Apple MagSafe battery pack. It just, yeah, it's all cold, yeah, sure, okay. Let's just try it. Ooh, that ain't coming off. Nice. Let's bring in the Nomad base stand. Now there's obviously, if you've watched a few of the videos, you already know why I do this test, but I'm not going to go into it. There's a reason why I do the test. So let's just slap it on. Slaps in. It's now charging and no issues. No issues at all. Caudabe makes some of the best cases with the best magnets. I mean, the sheath alone, the magnet on this is amazing. Cannot fault that at all. Absolutely fantastic. So that is the azurite colour. So I think that's absolutely perfect. And at the very end of the video, I'll show you the cobalt blue buttons attached to the case. So let's go ahead and take the azurite off, and I'll try the black next. Okay, so there we go. So there is the black with the deep navy in the Paragon. So nice, shiny, pearlescent back and the grippy sides. I think that's perfect. And of course, if you've got the orange iPhone, then the Ember is the perfect way to go. I mean, even the azurite with the orange around the sides is a nice way to go when you want to show off the colour of your phone, but you like to protect it. I mean, nice pearlescent orange in the middle, nice sort of matte on the camera to protect the camera housing, and yeah, I think that's absolutely stunning. Let's check out the camera control. No issues there with Caudabe's camera control. Works exactly as it should. Zooms in, flips around. No issues there at all. Perfect. So let me swap these back over, and you have to let me know in the comment section which one's your favourite. Which one would you go for to match your iPhone 17 Pro Max or 17 Pro? So there's them. So then literally how to pop the buttons off. You grip the sides and you just literally push down, and they just literally pop out of the case. Just be careful where you do, otherwise you'll lose the original buttons. There we go. And then now I've got cobalt, so to fit them in, literally you just grab it to where you want it, slap it in and make sure it's in, and it just pops straight in. So let me just do the volume. Cobalt blue buttons on the azurite case, something a little bit different. It's still blue, but it's like a nice deep blue, and it matches perfectly. To be honest, the cobalt is definitely the way to go. I actually think I prefer it over the original buttons. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, but that's what I'm rocking at the minute. Let me know which one you would go for in the comment section down below. As I say, I wish I still had my focus, because in that colour with the focus, ultimate combination. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on, and I'll see you in my next one. And let me know if there's any cases out there you want to see on the channel, and I'll try and make it happen. See you all soon, guys.